First exercise. Shoulder, medial rotation. Stand with your arms at your sides and elbows bent at 90 degrees. Keeping your elbows close to your body. Rotate your forearms inward across your body. Hold the position for 15-30 seconds. Slowly return to the starting position. Repeat. Next exercise. Dynamic chest stretch. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Extend your arms out to the sides at shoulder height. Gently swing your arms forward, crossing them in front of your chest. Swing your arms back out to the sides, opening your chest. Continue the swinging motion for the desired duration, maintaining a rhythmic pace. Next exercise. Elbows back stretch. Stand up straight with your feet shoulder width apart. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Straighten your arms and lift your hands slightly away from your back. Gently pull your shoulder blades together and push your chest forward. Hold the stretch for 15-30 seconds. Release and repeat as needed. Rest. Next exercise. Dynamic back stretch. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Interlace your fingers and extend your arms in front of you at shoulder height. Round your back, pushing your hands forward while tucking your chin to your chest. Open your arms wide, squeeze your shoulder blades together, and look up slightly, stretching your chest and back. Continue alternating between the rounded and open positions for the desired duration. Next exercise. Spine, lumbar, extension. Lie face down on the floor with your hands flat next to your shoulders. Gently push your upper body off the ground, extending your spine while keeping your hips on the floor. Hold the position for 15-30 seconds. Slowly lower back down to the starting position. Repeat. Next exercise. Forward flexion neck stretch. Sit or stand up straight. Gently lower your chin towards your chest, feeling the stretch in the back of your neck. Place your hands on the back of your head for a gentle added pressure if needed. Hold for 15-30 seconds. Then slowly lift your head back to the starting position. Rest.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Next exercise. side wrist pull stretch. Extend your right arm out with your palm facing down. With your left hand, gently pull the fingers of your right hand back towards your body. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds. Release and repeat with the left hand.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Next exercise. Fingers down forearm stretch. Extend your right arm straight out in front of you at shoulder height, palm facing down. With your left hand, gently press down on the fingers of your right hand until you feel a stretch in your forearm. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds, then switch arms and repeat.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
Next exercise. Rear deltoid stretch. Stand or sit upright and bring one arm across your body. Use the opposite hand to gently pull the arm closer to your chest until you feel a stretch in the rear deltoid. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Release and repeat on the other side. Rest.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands.
Next exercise. Ankle dorsal flexion. Sit on the floor with your legs extended straight in front of you. Flex your ankles by pulling your toes up towards your shins. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds, then release. Repeat the stretch.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Next exercise. Calf push stretch with hands against wall. Stand facing a wall with your hands pressed against it at shoulder height. Step one foot back and press the heel into the ground. Bend the front knee and lean into the wall, keeping the back leg straight. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds, feeling a deep stretch in the calf of the back leg. Switch legs and repeat the stretch. Last exercise. Toy soldier dynamic stretch. Stand tall with your arms extended straight out in front of you. Walk forward, lifting your legs straight up each time, trying to touch your toes to your hands. Keep your lifted legs straight and don't bend the knee. Alternate legs with each step. Continue for the desired number of repetitions or distance.